Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, and the matter at hand today is functional annotation of genome. Points that we'll cover today are role of bioinformatics in functional annotation of genomes, application of functional annotation of genomes, its challenges, benefits, tools and databases used, and some pretty interesting project ideas. Let's begin this session by understanding the role of bioinformatics in functional annotation of genomes. Bioinformatics plays a critical role in the functional annotation of genomes, which involves identifying the functions of genes and their products on sequence data. This process is essential for understanding biological system and disease mechanisms and developing therapeutic interventions. Moving up next, we have application of functional annotation of genomes. First, gene prediction, identifying potential genes with a genomic sequence using computational tools. Second, functional prediction, assigning biological functions to predicted genes based on sequence homology and databases. Third, pathway analysis, integrating gene functions into metabolic and regulatory pathways for a holistic understanding of cellular processes. Fourth, comparative genomics, analyzing gene functions across different species to infer evolutionary relationships and functional conservation. Fifth and last, variant annotation, identifying, interpreting the functional impacts of genetic variants in clinical genomics. Going ahead, there are some challenges in this field that are data volume. The sheer amount of genomic data generated by high-throughput sequencing technologies poses significant challenges for analyzing and storage. Then, annotation accuracy. Ensuring high accuracy in functional predictions is difficult due to the limitation of existing database and algorithms. Third, dynamic nature of genomes. Genomes can undergo changes, making it challenging to maintain up-to-date annotations. Fourth, integrating of high multiomics data. Combining data from genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, and metabolomics for comprehensively functional annotation is complex. Then, lack of experimental validation. Many predictions remain unverified experimentally, leading to uncertainties in functional annotations. Even though there are some challenges, but this field provides some pretty benefits too, like enhanced understanding of biology. Functional annotation helps elucidate gene roles in biological processes and disease mechanism. Second, improved drug development. Identifying potential drug targets through functional insights can streamline the drug discovery process. Then, facilitated personalized medicine. Understanding genetic variants, functional implications can lead to tailored therapeutic strategies. Then, resource efficiency. Automated annotation tools can process large datasets quickly, reducing the time and effort requiring for manual annotations. Then, collaboration and data sharing. Bioinformatics promotes collaborations among researchers by providing a standardized database and tools for functional annotations. Moving on, here are some bioinformatic tools and databases for functional annotation. First, BLAST, Basic Local Alignment Search Tool. It's used for comparing nucleotide or protein sequences to identify homologous sequence and predict functions based on similarity. Then, Interpro, a database that integrates various protein signatures database to provide functional annotations for protein sequence. Then, PFAM, a database of protein families that provides information on the functional domains with proteins. Then, KEGG, Kyoto Encyclopedia of Genes and Genomes, a database for understanding high-level functions of biological system including metabolic pathways and molecular interactions. Then, Gene Ontology, a framework for the model of biology that provides a standardized vocabulary for gene functions across different species. Then, UniProt, a comprehensive protein sequence and functional information database that offers detailed annotations for proteins. Then, clusters of orthologous groups, a database that categorizes proteins from complete genomes into orthologous groups, aiding functional prediction. Then, string, a database for known and predicted protein-protein interaction useful for understanding functional networks. Then, microbe annotator. It's a pipeline specifically designed for the functional annotation of microbial genomes, integrating results from multiple databases. Then, and last, Galaxy, an open source platform that allows researchers to perform bioinformatics analysis, including functional annotations, through a user friendly interface. These tools and databases facilitate the functional annotation process by providing essential resource for gene prediction, functional assignment, and pathway analysis, ultimately contributing to a deeper understanding of genomic data and its implications in health and diseases. Here are the 3 project ideas focused on the functional annotation of genomes, including their overviews, objective, significance, general steps involved, and required tools. Project Idea 1: Comprehensive Functional Annotation of a Newly Sequenced Microbial Genome. Overview: This project aims to perform a comprehensive functional annotation of a newly sequenced microbial genome using bioinformatic tools and databases. Objective: to identify and annotate the genes within the microbial genome, predicting their functions and understanding their roles in metabolic pathways. Significance: Functional annotation is crucial for understanding microbial psychology, physiology, ecology, and potential biotechnological applications such as bioremediation or biofuel production. General steps involved: First, genome sequencing. Obtain the genome sequence using high-throughput sequencing technologies. Second step, gene prediction. Use tools like Prodigal or GeneMark to identify open reading frames and predict gene locations. Third step, functional annotations. Perform blast searches against databases such as UniProt and KEGG to assign functions to predict proteins. Then, utilize Interpro for domain identification and gene ontology for functional categorization. Fourth step, pathway analysis. Map annotated genes to metabolic pathways using KEGG or MetaSeq. Fifth step, data integration. Compile and integrate results into comprehensive annotations report. Now, tools required. In this study, first tool, sequencing platform. Illumina, PacBio, or Oxford Nanopore for genomic sequencing. Then, for gene prediction software, Prodigal and GeneMark. Then, functional annotation tools, BLAST, UniProt, KEGG, and Interpro. For data analysis software, R or Python for data integration and visualization. Now, the second project idea. Comparative genomics for functional annotation across related species. Overview. This project focuses on comparative genomics to annotate the genomes of closely related bacterial species, leveraging evolutionary relationships to enhance functional predictions. Objective: to identify conserved genes and predict their functions across multiple related genomes, providing insights into evolutionary adaptations and functional conservation. Significance: comparative genomics can reveal essential genes for survival and adaptation, aiding in the understanding of pathogenicity or metabolic capabilities. General steps involved. First step, genome sequencing. Sequence the genomes of multiple related bacterial species. Second step, gene prediction. Use gene prediction tools to identify ORFs in each genome. Third step, comparative analysis. Perform pairwise or multiple sequence alignments using tools like MAFT or Clustal Omega. Then, identify conserved genes and gene clusters across species. Fourth step, functional annotation. Use homology-based methods to assign functions to conserved genes using databases like COG or KEGG. Last step, phylogenetic analysis. construct phylogenetic trees to visualize evolutionary relationship and functional conservation. Now, tools required in this study. First, sequencing platform, Illumina or PacBio. For gene prediction software, Prodigal or GeneMark. For alignment tools, MAFT or Clustal Omega. For gene functional annotation databases, COG or KEGG. For phylogenetic analysis software, RACSML or MEGA. Third project idea is machine learning approaches for functional annotation of genomes. Overview. This project aims to develop machine learning models to predict gene functions based on sequence data and existing annotations, enhancing accuracy of functional predictions. Objective: to create and validate machine learning algorithms that can predict gene functions more accurately than traditional methods. Significance: machine learning can handle large datasets and identify patterns that may not be apparent through conventional analysis, leading to improved functional annotations. General steps involved in this study. First step, data collection. Gather a dataset or known gene sequence and their corresponding functions from databases like UniProt and KEGG. Second step, feature extraction. Identify relevant features from gene sequence such as sequence motifs or structural properties. Third step, model development. Train machine learning models, example random forests, support vector machines, or the datasets to predict functions for known or unknown genes. Validation. Test the model on a separate validation dataset to assess accuracy and reliability. Last step, application. Apply the trained model to newly sequenced genomes for functional annotations. Tools required in this study. For data analysis software, Python with libraries like scikit-learn and pandas or R. Machine learning frameworks, TensorFlow or Keras for building models. Database access, UniProt, KEGG for training data. Visualization tools, Matplot library or Seaborn for data visualizations. Now, these project ideas leverage bioinformatic tools and methodologies to enhance functional annotations of genome, contributing to our understanding of gene functions and their implications in various biological contexts. We invite you to join our bioinformatic research and training community. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in bioinformatics by liking and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us grow and continue providing valuable content. We also want to hear from you. Please share your suggestions for future videos, topics in the comment section. Whether it's specific to techniques, case studies, or emerging technologies in bioinformatics, your input is invaluable in shaping our content to better serve your interest. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to your contributions.